Okay, so now that we all kind of know each other a little bit, you guys are going to have to choose a track of which you would like to get certified. There's 3 options. So each of you have totally different aspirings and you want to do all different kinds of things. So you should pick something that sort of follows what you want to end up doing in the future. So the first one is cybersecurity. Now I'm going to explain what it is, each one, and then you can listen to all of them and then go put your name on a piece of paper. So cybersecurity is the art of security. And how your cell phones and your logins and things, how that all works. It will also go through how to reverse engineer and break through barriers. Huh?
When we did that in my school,
the exercise, the DDoS.
Yeah, so we will be learning how to DDoS and bring servers down and theoretically hack for good. The idea is to be a hacktivist, not a hacker for evil, but a hacker for good.
A la Felicity Smoke.
So companies will pay people over $100,000 starting salary to literally try and break into their system all day long. So if you want to learn how the cell phone works, how people tap phones, how you get viruses that steal your information, how people steal your credit cards, and how to prevent that, so the final project will be encrypting your cell phone, which is insane. That means you can go totally off the grid and nobody could track you.
I would like to do that, but this is my last phone, so.
That means that no one will be able to illicitly spy on you, turn on your microphone, track your location. You'll be completely impenetrable to every form of attack digitally. You will learn the process of doing that, and you will do it to your own device. Now that being said, you can take this knowledge and go get a job in the industry. So a new company who just opened definitely needs someone to close the holes, and they need you. Cybersecurity specialist.
Sounds like a job for me.
So the second track is IoT. Now, with a raise of hands, how many of you have ever seen the lights in Best Buy that get turned on by an app? Those new lights, Philips Hue. So the idea of things communicating with other things using the internet. So when you see a Samsung smart fridge, how does it work? So that's what we're going to learn in IoT. So you get certified in the art of connected devices. So that means when you have something like the HoloLens, being able to physically turn on a computer by a click. So that means not touching the computer at all. Looking at the computer and going like this. And the computer can start to boot up. That's IoT. Nearly everything that we interact with, from Metro cards, swiping, that's IoT. It's interacting with the card. So there's all sorts of different things. And again, that's 100,000 plus salary for IoT. Currently, right now, there's people such as Target, Best Buy, Philips, recruiting for people doing IoT. Now the HoloLens is like the plethora of IoT. Like if you could imagine, you go home and put on the HoloLens and go like this, and the garage door opens. And that's not a superhero. That's just it recognizing the hander and sending the information to the garage to open. So what you will learn how to do in that course is we are going to interact with a real life object using HoloLens. That could mean making a robot move across the floor in a line that you draw on the floor. He would follow that exact line. So that is IoT. Now IoT is going to have the maximum exposure with the HoloLens. So if HoloLens really tickles your fancy, that's going to be a fun one. The third one is for those of you that want to start your own business. So it's entrepreneurship and be your own boss. So you can get certified in the craft of creation of a business. So you can learn how to take an idea, such as what you guys are doing in class, and bring it all the way to profitable. And everything in between. So with that, you guys have any questions? If not, you can just line up right here and just jot your name on one of these pieces of paper. Where'd they go?
Nick took them.
Nick, you took the papers? So go see Nick, and you can put your name under one of the certifications, and then